Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pastry, and today gagawa tayo ng light and fluffy, Baguio-inspired strawberry shortcake. Soft, airy, and creamy with rich strawberry flavor. Pero bago yan ay mamitas muna tayo ng mga strawberries na kakailanganin natin para sa recipe na ito. Kaya naman tara na't bumiyahe pa Baguio para mag-strawberry picking. Umpisa na nga ng rainy season, kaya naman kakunti na lang yung strawberries na naabutan namin. At karamihan sa mga nakatanim ay puro lettuce na. Buti na lang ay meron pang isang part na may konting bunga at pinaharvest na nila sa amin bago nila hugutin at taniman din ng lettuce. Dahil nga kakunti ang napitas ay pinapak na lang namin at bumili ako ng pandagdag dito sa Mines View Park bago umuwi ng Maynila. Umpisa na nga natin mag-bake. Sa isang bowl, sift natin all together yung ating 1 1/4 cup ng cake flour and 1/2 teaspoon ng salt. Set aside muna natin. Sa separate bowl naman, whisk natin together yung ating 5 large egg yolks and half cup white sugar until pale and fluffy. Add tayo ng 1/3 cup ng milk and half cup ng canola oil. Lastly, add tayo ng half teaspoon of strawberry extract and mix well until well combined. Now, pwede na nating i-whisk in yung ating flour mixture kanina. Naglagay din ako ng konting red gel food color para magkaroon ng pinkish hue yung ating chiffon. Set aside muna natin yan. Sa bowl naman ng ating stand mixer, whip natin together yung ating 5 egg whites and a half teaspoon cream of tartar. Once frothy, gradually add 1/3 cup ng sugar and beat on medium-high speed until medium peaks. Then fold natin siya gently dun sa ating batter mixture kanina, just until uniform in color. Divide natin sa dalawang 8 inches round pan, lined with parchment paper sa ilalim, and yung sides left ungreased para may kakapitan yung chiffon natin at hindi bumagsak. Then bake natin sila sa preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes or kapag nagsispring back na yung ibabaw when pressed. While baking, gawa tayo ng instant pastry cream sa isang bowl. Nag-whisk lang tayo ng 3/4 cups ng instant custard powder and 2 cups ng milk until smooth and creamy. Sa separate bowl naman, whip natin yung ating 1 cup ng whipping cream until light and airy. After that, to enhance the flavor, nag-add ako ng 1 cup of pastry cream and 1/2 teaspoon of strawberry extract dito sa ating whipping cream. Beat natin all together until smooth and well combined. And once completely cooled na yung ating cake, ay pwede na tayong mag-assemble. Run lang natin yung steel spatula or knife around the sides of our pan and madali nang marirelease yung ating cake. Fill natin gamit yung ating flavored whipped cream and yung leftover na pastry cream natin kanina. Nag-slice din ako dito ng ating fresh strawberries and layered it here para sa ating filling. Mas matamis yung mga maliliit na strawberries na nabili natin, kaya naman yun yung mga ginamit ko dito sa ating cake. Then cover it with more cream. Then isandwich na natin together gamit yung ating second layer ng chiffon. Ice natin yung buong cake gamit yung ating strawberry flavored whipped cream and gamit tong comb, naglagay lang tayo ng texture sa sides. Then for more decoration, pipe tayo ng plain whipped cream sa ibabaw. Then top it with more fresh strawberries. Very Baguio inspired yung look nito. And to seal in the freshness ng strawberries, I brushed them off with neutral glaze. And that's it. Enjoy your homemade strawberry shortcake.